Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number of TC-either 55 or 65 GX800. I'll put those two model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, there's two ways to do this, either via the setup menu if you have access to it, or via the physical buttons if you don't. I'll go over both of them in a second. But there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with, like, the screen won't come on, or it won't connect to your Wi-Fi, or it's not making sound, or it's glitching, or it's frozen, or not responding, stuff like that. Or if for whatever reason you just want to get this TV and set it up like new, you just want to wipe everything off of it and set it up like a new TV. This will do both of those things. Now, if you've got access to the menu and it's working and the screen and everything, you can just hit menu on the remote, and then all you do is just toggle through setup, then system, then factory default. Setup, system, factory default. Hit OK each time to confirm it. And then you're just going to have to hit yes at the end of that to confirm. If you want to do it via the buttons, the TV needs to be able to turn on. You don't need the screen, but you do need to be able to have the TV on. And we're going to find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote control, which is just below the power button. So we're just going to simultaneously press and hold volume down on TV and menu on the controller for at least 5 seconds. After those minimum 5 seconds have passed, we can just unplug the TV, wait a few seconds, plug it back in, turn it back on, and it will factory reset and go into its startup first time mode.